Foxit has completely redesigned the online account portal to make it faster, clearer, and more flexible. The new design delivers a smoother, more responsive experience with a modern look and easier navigation. Offline orders are finally visible right in your account, so you don't need to track them elsewhere. License management is easier. No more binding licenses, just simple direct control. Let's go through each section together and see what's new. I'll start by logging in. It will prompt me to select an account. I'll click my initial to open the drop-down menu. From here, I can go straight to my account profile. I can quickly make any updates here. I can also visit security settings and reset my password if needed. In security settings, I can also grant Foxit support temporary access to my account for troubleshooting. I choose how long that access lasts, and I can revoke it anytime. Next, let's look at My Orders. This is where you'll find everything tied to your purchases, from downloads and invoices to offline orders. This page makes it easy to manage everything I've purchased. What you see here depends on your role. Billing contacts can see everything about the order. Product users with a Ship-to login may see very limited or no order details. Sold-to users often cannot see order information at all. I can filter orders by date and by status, so I can find specific orders quicker. If I need to, I can download a product right from here. If an order includes multiple products, I just choose the build I want. I can also download invoices with just a click. Offline orders now show up alongside online ones, so nothing gets missed. Offline orders are those placed outside the online store, typically purchased from Foxit sales reps, distributors, or resellers. Now, let's take a look at My Subscriptions. This is where you'll manage upgrades, billing, add-ons, and everything tied to your products. In My Subscriptions, you'll see a status filter, a search bar, and an enhanced actions menu. Just like in orders, what you see here depends on your role. From here, I can upgrade my product when new versions are available. I can also switch to annual billing if I want to save over the monthly rate. Need more seats or features? I can purchase additional subscriptions. Manage is available whether I'm using the admin console or not. For subscriptions with admin console, Manage takes me to the admin console dashboard. For subscriptions without the admin console, Manage opens the license management page where I can add or remove users. And for some products, Manage redirects to that product's own dashboard. For example, Manage on a Smart Redact server subscription opens the Smart Redact server dashboard, and Manage on an eSign subscription opens the eSign dashboard. If a subscription is past due, I'll see a Pay Now option. I can also purchase Enable Envelope Sharing or purchase Foxit connectors right from here. Auto renewal is clearer now. When it's on, I see a renewal date, and when it's off, I see an expiration date. Transferring subscriptions is easier too, though it's not available for admin console-enabled subscriptions. I can check the product roadmap to see what's coming next. From My Apps, I can launch or download the apps included with my plan, like Foxit PDF Editor for Windows, Cloud, or mobile. Everything is organized in one place for easier access. License management has been completely redesigned, with new filter and search tools that make it easy to find specific licenses or users. It now covers both subscription and perpetual products in one place. I can select the product name at the top. Plus, you'll notice the same filters and a search box to help you quickly narrow down results. Again, I've got a direct download link for multiple platform versions. Clicking on Manage brings me to the admin console, where I can manage users directly, adding, removing, changing roles, deactivating, or resending invitations. For perpetual products, I can easily get license keys or purchase additional licenses. And now, product users with a Ship-To login can manage licenses themselves, getting keys or assigning permissions without needing the billing contact to bind them first. Device management is the area where you control which computers or devices are authorized to use your licensed Foxit products. Device management has been streamlined, so subscriptions and perpetual products are now handled in one place. You can activate by entering a license key manually, or simply by signing in with your licensed email address for automatic activation. For subscriptions, I can simply select a device and deactivate it directly. For perpetual products, I choose the license and click Manage Devices. Then I can view the key code list, see all the devices tied to it, and deactivate any device I need. Payment and billing options are simpler to manage. I can add a new credit card or edit an existing one, set a default, or remove a card I no longer use. Right below payment options, there's a new billing address management area. Here I can add or update my billing addresses so invoices and receipts always have the correct information. Support is always close at hand. Whenever I run into a question or need help, I don't have to leave my account. The tools are built right in. Support options link directly to the Foxit knowledge base, where I can submit feedback or view support tickets. Thanks for watching this walkthrough. Stay tuned for more updates and improvements coming your way. Need more information? Check out www.foxit.com. Did you find this helpful? Browse through our other tutorials now. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and click the bell for alerts.